Are you prepared for severe weather? Have you ever run out of a few items when a big storm was approaching? Did you face a crowded store with long checkout lines and find that everyone was looking for the same few items? Having an emergency supply kit always ready can help. In severe weather, first responders may not be able to get to you for several hours or days. Be prepared to take care of yourself and your family until help arrives. Pre-made emergency kits are available for purchase, and there may be additional personal items you would want to add. You know your household's needs best and could be sure to include appropriate items. How can you make your own low-cost emergency kit? Hi, I'm Sarah Thomas, and this is my friend, John Russo. We're going to show you how to build a low-cost emergency kit. Start by reviewing this list. Gather the items you already have. Each family member will need supplies for a minimum of 3 days and up to 2 weeks. Check out clearance and out-of-season items. Some items may be purchased in bulk with family or friends. If asked for gift suggestions for a special event, you might suggest an item or two from your list as possibilities. So let's talk about a few specific items you're likely to need. We'll list other items and provide a link at the end where you can access our list and other preparedness publications. Water is vital. Plan on a minimum of 1 gallon per day for each person and pet. So if you're making a 3-day kit, you will need a minimum of 3 gallons for each family member and pet. Keep at least a 3-day supply of food on hand at all times. 1 to 2 weeks worth is better. As power outages sometimes happen, be sure to include foods that do not require refrigeration or heat to prepare. Though many people make most of their purchases electronically, having cash on hand can be important when the power is down. Your funds may not be accessible through an ATM. A flashlight and extra batteries are essential. A first aid kit is also helpful. Garbage bags and ties are useful, along with a manual can opener, paper plates, cups, utensils, and other items listed here. Don't forget your cell phone, charger and cord, prescription medicines, and clothing for at least 3 days. What about other members of your family? What items would make them more comfortable during and immediately after a severe storm? Do they have any particular needs related to health and well-being? Personal hygiene items are also an important part of your kit. Think about your daily routines. A toothbrush and toothpaste, brush and comb, soap, and other supplies will help you feel more comfortable and less stressed if you need to evacuate the area. It is important to keep our furry friends in mind when preparing for emergencies. Well before the storm, get your pets vaccinated. Most emergency shelters require proof of updated vaccines. See a local veterinarian or check online for mobile veterinary clinics. Make photocopies of vaccine paperwork and store these copies in your emergency supply kit. Or upload these documents onto a computer or the cloud as a backup. Contact your town for emergency pet shelter information, location, registration, and any additional items that they may require. Key pet items to have in an emergency supply kit include pet food, water, bowls, treats, puppy pads, garbage bags, and a collar and leash. Have a crate for your pet with your pet's name and your ID and contact information attached. Also, consider how you will clean up after your pet. Pack rakes, scoops, kitty litter, and other items used for pet cleanup. Organize your important papers so that you can gather them quickly and easily if you need to leave the area due to severe weather. Having this information ready can make it easier for you and your household to recover should there be any injury, damage, or loss. Keep your kit where it will be easy to reach and where the temperature does not vary greatly. Check your kit every 6 months to swap out any expired goods and to confirm that your kit is complete. Preparing your emergency kit now can help you weather severe storms more easily.